Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to narrow down your search by applying filters on the domain application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. Now let's jump into it. First of all, open the application. Tap on the home button down below on the left side corner and click on this search bar. Type in your location, and then at the top you can find this filter button on the left side, so tap on it, and here you can add filters such as exclude under offer. You can turn this on and select the price range, set the minimum and the maximum, click on the button done, set the property type, house, apartment, unit, flat, townhouse, land, rural, and so on. Tap on the done button, select the number of bedrooms, bathrooms, parking. You can set the land size. Tap on done, and you can also apply keywords. Then click on the search button, and then you will be able to select from the relevant results according to your set preferences. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.